So this question number 14 has 6 parts. Okay, so we will do these 6 videos based on this question. Okay, so a pendulum bob of mass 50 gram is suspended from the ceiling of an elevator. Find the tension in the string if the elevator goes up with the acceleration of 1.2 meter per second square. So let's draw our elevator over here. Okay, so this is the elevator. And in it there is a pendulum which is having a bob like this, and the bob mass is 50 gram. So bob mass is 50 gram. So 50 into 10 to the power minus 33 kg. Okay, so this is the bob's mass. We have to find out what is tension, and it is going up with the acceleration of 1.2 meter per second square. So this is what is given to us. Okay, so we will see what we can do with this given information. So now if I draw the free body diagram of this bob, what I will get, I will draw this bob like this. This is having mass m. Okay, so there is an upward force of T, capital T. This is the tension force, and downward force is mg. Okay, and the net acceleration is upward. So a net is upwards, which is 1.2 meter per second square. So what does it mean? It means that the T must be greater than mg, because net acceleration is upwards, right? So that's why. So T minus mg will be equal to ma. So T minus mg, so let me write it over here. T minus mg is equal to ma. So T is the upward force, T minus mg will be ma. This is a net actually. Okay, so now from here we can find out the tension like, so let me go to the next page. T is equal to mg plus ma. So mass can be taken out, so m times g plus a will be your tension. So mass is given to be 50 grams, so it is 50 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg, and since g value is not given to us, we will take it as 9.8 plus 1.2, which is the upward acceleration. So this is 50 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg. This is 9.8 plus 1.2, so this will be 11. Okay, so into 11 meter per second square. So here if we do this calculation, I will get 550 into 10 to the power minus 3 Newton, so which is nothing but 0.55 Newton. So this is the answer.